Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 3B. In this topic, we'll be going on to the further categories, which will basically be the fourth category over here, which is our annotation category. The next two categories are very standard. The fifth category is your movement category, which we will be using our mouse and keyboard for, like we are anyway. And the last category is the look around and move around category, which we will be using through our scenes and creating our animated walkthrough in the end. But for now, let's see what this category is all about, which is the annotation category. So we have 6 commands over here. Now to explain to you guys this, I'll just go ahead and create a random box. The first tool over here is the tape measure. The tape measure will basically let us measure any distance that we want just by using it like a normal tape. And you can see the distance and the length is provided below over here. The next one is the dimensions. Now dimensions are basically going to help us to put on-screen dimensions. As you guys can see, I can actually just set these dimensions over here as such, like this. The third one over here is the protractor. The protractor is going to let us set angles, so I can either use it exactly like a rotate command, and wherever I set my angle, I will be able to get that, or I can even create angles by just providing a normal number, and I can easily then create a line on top of it as such. So that's basically how you will be using the protractor. I'll just go ahead and delete all of this, and I'll create another rectangle over here. The fourth command is your area text command. This will basically let you easily click and set the area of that particular space. You can just see it says 121 meters square. So I can just select this, click here, and you can see that. That's basically how you can easily set the area of the particular space. Now, if you guys are looking at changing this number, you can easily just select this and change it to whatever you want. Well, the next one over here is the axis. So at the moment we have the blue axis, the green axis, and the red axis, which is set in a particular direction. We can easily select this axis and we can change it to a particular way. So you can see I can easily just go ahead and change this axis accordingly. I can click here and set the red axis over here, as well as setting the blue axis below over here. But if we need to change the axis, maybe it is only necessary for certain times, we can easily press Ctrl Z and bring it back normally. The last one over here is the 3D text. If I select this 3D text, I can easily just put in a name over here. Let's say name, and we can set its font, its alignment, whether you want it to be bold or regular, and its height, and we can place it like this. You can see how that text comes out. It's basically a component that we can enter into, and we can actually even put material over this particular text. So that's it, guys, for this section. I'll be seeing you guys in the next section, which is in the next topic, which is basically going to be the follow me, which is going to come out from the third category. Alright guys, I'll see you then. Please practice this much and take care.